Good morning. Hi, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great today. So for today's video, we're gonna be making some Kittely Torborgee, okay? Some yummy Liberian Kittely Torborgee. So if you are interested in how to make this Torborgee, please stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and season my meat. Stir this up like this. Steam them for about 5 minutes. Okay everybody, our 5 minutes is up. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my water in here and then just let it do its thing. Let it just boil down and then we'll be good to go. We're gonna use our bell pepper to put in our Torborgee. I'm gonna mix it up with the Kittely, and then of course I have my bitter ball, which is garden egg. Use that as well. I have my 2-pack of Kittely. It's a frozen Kittely. You can use the dry Kittely, but I rather the frozen Kittely because it's easier and it's quicker, easier this way. That's why I like to use the frozen Kittely. My pepper. Then of course I have my my Torborgee oil. In a minute I'm going to show you guys how to use all of these ingredients. All right everyone, I'm going to go ahead and put my Kittely. Go ahead and put my Kittely in the pot. There we go. And then I'll go ahead and put my bitter ball in there. And then of course my bell pepper, my spice. And then I'll go ahead and put some seasoning. I'll just go ahead and put my water in there. Okay. There we go. Okay guys, our meat is almost ready. See, all the water that we put on it, the water is almost dry, so it's almost ready. Beef is ready. So now it's so tender, so we're just gonna wait for our Kittely to be ready, and then we'll go ahead and put that in here. All right everyone, our Kittely is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Torborgee oil. Okay, so because it's still hot, basically our food is ready. Our food is ready, but because I'm gonna have to put the soda, but I don't want to put the soda in while the food is still hot. So I'm gonna take it off the stove and let it cool off a little bit before I put the soda in there. Right, so it's still hot, as you can see it got the steam and everything. I just took it off the stove and it's still hot. I'm gonna let it cool off for 20 minutes. It just depends. You could put your soda in there now if you choose to, but for me, I like it to cool off a little bit before I put soda in there. So I'm gonna just let it sit here, stay there for about 20 minutes, and then it will cool off. I'll come back and put my soda in there, and then the food will be ready. Okay, our soup have cooled off. It's actually more than what I requested for, but that's good because I wanted it to really cool off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my soda. But this is our soda. I'm gonna go ahead and put our soda in there, and then that will be our final touch for our soup. So basically, you just go ahead and put it in there and eat some good torborgee. This is perfect. Okay guys, this is our finished touch. We are finally done. If you make it this far, I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for staying and watching the entire video. I do appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, I just want to encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're gonna go ahead and give it a taste. This is our soup. This is it. Thank you so much guys. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.